Okay, good morning. Assalamualaikum. In this video, I want to show you how to make spinner words, sentences with different words. This is the spinner. This is the unique sentences. This one very useful for you to practice the SEO or website purpose and then anything you want. As you can see over here, we have a table. This one 1 to 10 and then 1 into 10. This one will generate the random each words you want you input before. For example, if I put or I delete the Bruce, it will regenerate the sentences. If I put another word like bring lift by and maybe something, I don't know, something, it will show up on the bottom, but in the random things, in the randoms method. Okay, now I want to show you how to do it. Okay, first we open the new sheet and then we type the number, open on the A2 cell, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then we put another number above. Just to remember, it's above this number. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Why I put the the first number over here? Because this one to reference the VLOOKUP column. Okay, if you're familiar with VLOOKUP, you will know it easily. Okay, and then we put the word, the spinner words is, let's say, Brian. This is the name, the subject, and then we put Lee, and then Tom, and then me or I, and then this is, we put space, only space. Okay, and then we put drink, and then bring, and then lift, by. Okay, and then this is space. Why we put space? Because after word, of course, there is a space character. And then on the sixth column we put A, and then space again, and then we put, for example, glass, cup, bottle, and then of, sorry, space of space. Okay, and then water, we put juice, and then coffee. Okay, now we do the formula, the function. Over here you type equal VLOOKUP. The main function is VLOOKUP, and then the lookup value we use the random number, rand between, and then the bottom, of course, 1. Okay, this is the minimum from here, the 1, and the top is count a, this column. You have to remember only this column without the number above or on the most left over here. Okay, and then we do absolute for the B, for the number. Okay, and within, okay, it's done. And then we put comma, sorry, lookup value is done, and then the table array you have to put from here. Remember, this one is for the reference. Remember, for the lookup value, this is the reference for lookup value, so you have to include this column and then drag onto here, and we put absolute for both column and row, and then the column index we put on the first row on this table, and we put the absolute for the row, sorry, for the column, and then the range lookup we put exact match. Just hit enter. Okay, it will generate randomly between Brian, Lee, Tom, and I. So I put drag to the bottom. See, this is the random generate. If I drag again, it will regenerate, so on and so on. And we drag to the right. As you can see, this one is because this one only space, so it will generate only space because the value only one. If we put another like dash or question mark, it will report another value. Okay, over here we already have the randomize variable reference on the above table, on this table. Last step, we will use the concept function. Just type constant and then drag onto here and then drag to the bottom. Nice, very nice. As you can see, now we have sentences with randomized words like Brian buy a cup of coffee, a cup of water, I buy a bottle of water, Tom drink a bottle of juice, and then so on and so on and so on. This is the random how to randomize the sentences. This method is very useful for you to SEO practical or HTML practical or anything. So we can put another function over here, another variable, so it more rich sentences will generate. Okay, if you have any question, just put on the comment. If you like my videos, please subscribe and then thank you.